welcome to our third episode in a three-part series called Navigating Insurance for Genetic Testing, Denials and Appeals. In the first two episodes, we talked about how to understand your insurance plan and financial responsibilities, as well as what to do if you receive a denial from your insurance company. In this episode, we will be talking about resources that will help support you in navigating insurance for genetic testing. To do that, I'm here with Nicky Francis from GeneDx. Nicky guides families and healthcare providers on resources to support them with genetic testing and is going to give us some resources today. Welcome, Nicky. Will you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role at GeneDx?
Thank you for having me, Kim. I'm proud to be a part of the exceptional team of client engagement specialists at GeneDx, where I provide dedicated support and resources to both families and healthcare professionals.
That sounds amazing. So what is a typical day for you? What does it look like for you every day?
Well, a typical day for me consists of me fielding questions from healthcare providers and families. Providers often ask about ordering genetic testing, setting up accounts, testing codes, and turnaround times for testing. While families inquire about genetic testing costs, sample collection, the testing process, and any resource that we may have available to them. I either provide direct responses to these inquiries or triage them to the appropriate team for assistance. Our initiative with Genome Medical connects families to telehealth genetic experts for guidance, test orders, and follow-up counseling. So on a typical day, I respond to these inquiries via email, fax, and phone, providing support and information to both groups.
So I can link to these resources in the notes that you just spoke of, but how can someone contact you? Do you have video or phone options available?
So the support team is available to assist you via phone and email. You can reach us by phone at 888-729-1206 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In addition, you can email us at support@genedx.com.
Perfect. So navigating insurance for genetic testing may be new to many. There are resources available to help make that process easier, though, and you can reference episode 1 of this series if you'd like by going to our website at childneurologyfoundation.org/genetic testing. But Nicky, can you tell us where families can go when they have questions about their insurance coverage?
When families have specific questions about their insurance policy, their insurance company is their best resource. They can reach them by calling the phone number on the back of their insurance card. Also, they can ask their insurance company if they have a case manager of some sort or advocate who assists families with complex health needs.
Some families may need additional financial resources outside of insurance to help cover the cost of genetic testing. Can you tell us some places that they can get their questions answered about cost and find out about financial support that's available?
Absolutely. So contacting their insurance company is the best resource to obtain information about their coverage, if they have any deductibles and if they've been met, or any out-of-pocket costs. At GeneDx, we accept all commercial insurance, Medicaid, Medicare, and TRICARE plans. We also offer competitive self-pay pricing, interest-free payment plans, and for eligible patients, a financial assistance program. Also, for families who have a child with epilepsy, our Epilepsy Partnership Program ensures that eligible patients can access genetic testing, even if insurance denies coverage or if patients lack insurance.
That is wonderful. And I can include all of those resources again in the notes. Just wonderful, wonderful resources. Here at CNF, we also have a family support program that helps families connect to a variety of different resources. For example, we can help families find financial support, assist with getting them connected to other advocacy organizations,
Yeah.
and help find another family that they can connect to who is walking a similar journey as them. I'll post a link to that assistance request page in the notes as well. But for those watching, what are other resources that may be helpful for families to know about that we haven't yet talked about?
But I can call out on the GeneDx website, there is a patient advocacy page sharing many advocacy organizations supporting families who have received a genetic diagnosis and those who are undiagnosed. And they can access that webpage at www.genedx.com/advocacy.
Correct. There are so many resources that you've already shared with us, but are there any more that you can think of before we wrap up today?
Yes, so the handout accompanying this discussion contains a comprehensive list of additional resources. We encourage patients to reach out to their Human Resources Department if they have an employer health plan or to contact their state's Department of Health for further assistance.
Nikki, this has been absolutely incredibly helpful. We're going to post all of these resources that we talked about today on our genetic testing page on the Child Neurology Foundation's website, www.childneurologyfoundation.org/genetic testing. Thank you so much for your expertise in this area. We really appreciate it. And if you're looking for assistance with specific insurance questions or other resource navigation concerns, please visit us again at childneurologyfoundation.org/family support, or you can email us as well at programs@childneurologyfoundation.org. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.